Let's compare the Bissel Little Green to my Craftsman V20 vacuum. So both of these are really great if you want to clean in your house, but they're really for different purposes. So the Craftsman V20, it's officially a shop vac type of small handheld vacuum. It uses Craftsman's V20 lithium battery, so it's cordless. But I find it works great just for general cleaning around the house. If I spill something, I don't want to use a full vacuum cleaner, or cleaning out, like if I get crumbs in a drawer, or even like dust and leaves, cleaning out the car, it's great for that. What it doesn't handle, though, is any kind of liquid, and it doesn't do a great job on carpet, in my experience, because it doesn't really have the type of attachments for that. And that's where the Bissel Little Green comes in. And this is a vacuum, but it actually sprays water and cleaning solution into your carpet to clean it out. So it sprays that in from one tank, and then it vacuums up that liquid again. And so I find that the Bissel Little Green works great for cleaning carpets, for cleaning those kinds of spills and stains, and particularly for wet cleaning, because it is designed to clean and to pick up liquid, versus the Craftsman V20, you do not want to pick up any liquid with it. It's not designed for that. So I like to use the V20, again, for spot cleaning, when it's like dust and dirt or spilled. If I spill some flour in a drawer and I need to clean it out in the kitchen. And then I use the Bissel Little Green, again, for spot cleaning, similarly, but in this case for carpet or any kind of liquid spills on the carpet. It's a really great solution.